See, we are moving to practice set 1.5. There are word problems. Means sums are written in words. You have to convert to x and y linear equations in two variables or simultaneous equation. Understanding? From condition you have to solve. Getting? That's why they come for more marks. See, understand, just practice. Practice make everything simple. Okay? See the sum first. Two numbers differ by 3. There are two numbers whose difference is 3. One is greater number, one is smaller number. If you subtract them, it is 3. Answer is like 25, 22. If you subtract 25 minus 22, 3. But we don't know whether they are answer. The sum of twice the smaller number. Let one number be greater number be x, smaller number be y. Twice the smaller and thrice the greater. Thrice the greater is x. So 3x. Sum means plus 2y equal to 19. And we got the conditions. Let greater number be x, smaller number be y. So x minus y equal to 3 because two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller, that is a 2y. This first condition, 2y sum means plus thrice the greater. 3x plus 2y equal to 19. Getting? The second. Okay. First equation, second equation. Elimination method better. You can choose another method also. So we'll minus y plus 2y. We'll multiply first equation by 2. You write multiplying first equation by 2. 2x minus 2y equal to 6. Second condition, 3x plus 2y equal to 19. Adding, you write also adding 1 and 2. Plus 2y minus 2y cut. 2x plus 3x is 5x. 6 plus 19 is 25. 5x equal to 25. 5 going down. 25 upon 5x equal to 5. And putting x equal to 5 in equation 1. 1. X minus y equal to 3. So 5 minus y equal to 3. Minus y, 5 shifting that side. Minus y equal to 3 minus 5. Minus y equal to minus 2. Minus cut. Y equal to 2. Answer, the numbers are 5 and 2. They satisfy both the conditions. And we got the answer. We'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay. The sum of father's age and twice the age of his son is 70. If we double the age of the father and add it to the age of son, the sum is 95. Find their present ages. Let the age of father be x years. We'll take the unknowns. The age of son equal to y years. So age of father and age of son are our unknowns. As per condition, first condition, there will be two conditions always to form two equations. Age of father plus twice age of son, double the age of son. So x plus 2y, that is equal to 70. Their sum is 70. This is the first condition. And second condition, double the age of father, 2x, plus age of son, y, equal to 95. This sum is. Understood the two equations? Now simple two equation. Any simple because the numbers are not very big. No need that z method. Just multiply first second equation by 2. Okay. If you multiply the first equation as it is, x plus 2y is 70. Multiplying by 2, 4x plus 2y is 190. Second equation. For subtracting, change the sign. Minus. X minus 4x is minus 3x. Plus 2y minus 2y cut. 70 minus 190 is minus 120. Dividing by minus 3. X equal to 40. 3x equal to 120. 3 going down. 120 upon 3x equal to 40. We got, putting x equal to 40 in equation 1. 40 plus 2y equal to 70. 40 shifting that side. 2y equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30. 2y is 30. Putting y down, y equal to 15. Understood? So simple? Okay, now write the answer. X was our age of father and Y was age of son. So age of father 40 years, age of son 15 years is the answer. We'll go ahead with the next one. Okay. The denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6. Find the fraction. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Numerator upon denominator. So fraction is numerator upon denominator x upon y. We have to find this fraction. Okay. We'll go for first condition. Denominator is 4 more plus 4. Then twice the numerator. Twice the numerator 2x plus 4 is y. Shifting y this side, 4 this side. 2x minus y equal to minus 4. Sign changes. Just make proper equation x, y and number. Okay. We'll go for second condition. If both are reduced by 6, y minus 6, x minus 6. Denominator is 12 times the numerator. If reduced by 6, we'll open y minus 6 equal to 12x minus 72. Okay, so 12x minus y minus 72 shifting this side become plus 72. So 12x minus y equal to 72 minus 6, 66 is the second equation. Understood? Now minus y, we just have to change the sign. Getting it? So just we will subtract. First as it is, 12x minus y equal to 66. 2x minus y equal to minus 4. For subtracting, we will just change the sign. Minus plus plus. 12x now new sign minus 2x is 10x. Plus y minus y cut. 66 plus 4 new sign. 10x equal to 70, x equal to 7. Now putting x equal to 7 in 1, this is only 1. 2 into 7, x value 7. 7 to the 14 plus 4, 18. Y equal to 18. Simple, then answer x upon y, 7 upon 18 is the answer. Understood, son? Very simple. You try yourself. We'll go ahead with the next one. Okay. Out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed of 60 km per hour and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. So let the distance traveled by bus be x kilometer and distance traveled by plane be y kilometer. Okay. Total distance by bus and plane, first condition is 1900. Distance traveled by bus plus distance traveled by plane equal to 1900. Okay. Here for second condition, we are using one relation. Distance upon speed is time. Correct? So time of bus, distance x upon speed 60. This is time by bus plus distance traveled by plane y upon speed, distance upon speed. Time by plane, time by bus plus time by plane equal to time by total time. 5. Now there are denominators 60, 700. What we will do is we will find out the LCM of 60 and 700. That comes to 2100, right? We will multiply each term by 2100. 2100 into x by 60. 61 is 60, 35 is 35x this is. 2100 into 7 of y upon 700. 700 3 is plus 3y. 2100 into 5, that is 10500. This is our equation 2 without any denominator. Simplify. Now here x plus y 1900. We just want only x. Okay, now we don't want y, so we'll just eliminate y. Okay, y will multiply this equation by 3. So, and subtract, because same sign we have to subtract. First equation as it is 35x plus 3y 10500. Second equation 3x plus 3y 5700. And subtracting plus 3y minus 3y cut. 35x minus 3x is 32x. 10500 minus 5700 gives 4800. 32 going down, x is equal to 4800 divided by 32, that comes to 150. That is answer. 150 kilometer distance traveled by bus by Vishal. Understood the sum? Very simple sum. Okay, you liked it? Okay. Few sums, simple sums I have given you to solve. For problem set, you go ahead. Okay, the practice set, you practice again and again. If you want more practice, getting you have any doubts, to write in the comment box will be solved in the next video. Okay, but if you want more practice, test series, private attention if you want, one-to-one online tuition, you can join my online tuition class. You give me call, phone number provided. Inquire. You have to make your maths strong. I will clear your basics, help you to make maths strong. By practicing regularly, you can improve your maths. Don't shy, don't feel bad if you are weak in something. You ask, I will not laugh at you. I will solve, clear your all doubts, and will help you to increase your confidence. Okay? So if you like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get new video, because you have to complete your 10th standard study easily. You have to study, score high. Tell your friends also in your class of 10th standard. Don't sit at home. Don't waste your vacation due to lockdown. I am studying 10th standard with you. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye.